General Science, Standard 8, Chapter 2, Health and Diseases. Question and answers. Let's start. Question 1. Infectious and non-infectious diseases. Question 2. Identify the odd term. Question 3a. Question 3b. Question 3c. Question 4. Question number 5. Read the passage and answer the question A. Question 5b. Question 5c. Question 6a. Question 6b. Question 6c. Question 7a. Question 7b. Question 8a. Question 8b. Question 8c. Question 8d. Question 9. Question 10. Project work. Number 1. Prepare posters giving informations about various diseases, public awareness, and arrange exhibition in school. Number 2. Visit the public health center or clinic nearby and collect the information about vaccination. Compose a street play to increase public awareness about dengue, malaria, swine flu, and present it in the area nearby your school. Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon.